Lesson 2-3, comparing and ordering. And in this lesson, you learn to compare and order integers. Let's take a look at this example in health. Nature's way of using pollen to produce seeds in plants is remarkable. However, pollen is the enemy of millions of people who suffer from allergies. Pollen from trees or weeds can cause sneezing, eye irritation. During allergy season, local television stations or newspapers may give daily pollen counts to warn people. As the pollen count increases, so does the discomfort level, as seen uh, uh, moving left to right, okay, on the scale below. So you have your pollen count from 0 to 100. Discomfort level is low. 101 to 600 uncomfortable. 601 to 1200 high, and over 1200 the discomfort level will be very high. Okay, how is this related to what we want to learn today? Okay, just like the pollen, okay, on a number line. Let me take this out. Okay, it's like the pollen number line. Okay, just like the pollen scale, the numbers on the number line increase as you move to the right. On a number line, it is easy to determine which of two numbers is greater. Like for example, -3 and 4 are graphed on the number line below, and if it is this is our number line, okay, it says there the value increases, okay, the value increases as you move from, okay, left to right. So if we move from left to right, right here, the value increases, okay, as we move from, make that red now, okay, right to left, the value decreases. So in this case, as you move this way, the value begins to decrease, and this one, when you move from left to right, the value actually increases. Okay, and since you know here that -3 is to the left of 4, -3 is obviously less than 4. Okay, so we say 4 is greater than -3. The number to the right is always greater. Okay, and we write that 4 is greater than -3, and that is an inequality symbol. We learned that last year as well. We can also say that in this case that -3 is to the left of 4, so -3 is less than 4. Remember the symbol points. Okay, the symbol points to the lesser number, so -3, -4. Okay, so if you look at the symbol right here, it's saying that wherever this points, it points to the lesser number. Okay, so if you look at this one, it points to -3, so -3 is the lesser number. Okay, and where it opens up, it's always the greater number. Okay, so remember the symbol points to the lesser number, so this becomes important right there. Okay, third example number 1. Use the integers graph the number line below for each question. Okay, write two inequalities involving -5 and -1. The two inequalities, since -5 is to the left of -1, write -5 is less than -1. And the other inequality, since -1 is to the right of -5, write -1 is greater than -5. Again, where the inequality symbol points is going to be the lesser number. Okay, state which number is greater. Obviously, it's going to be -1 since it lies to the right of -5. Okay, since state which will have a greater absolute value. Okay, the greater absolute value of -5 will always be 5. Okay, because when you remember the definition of absolute value, it is a distance from 0. Okay, so the absolute value of 5 is greater than the absolute value of -1. Okay, let's take a look at example number 2. Integers are used to compare numbers, okay, in many everyday applications. The chart at the right shows the record of low temperatures for selected states. Order the temperatures from least to greatest. Graph each integer on a number line. And if we graph all these numbers on our number line, this is what's going to come out. Okay? And then write the numbers as they appear on the number line. Basically, negative 61 will be on the leftmost part of our number line, and 12 would be on the rightmost part of our number line. And that's it. Okay. On Google Forms, type a summary of what you've learned, responding to the objective of our lesson, and type a question you might want to ask in class. Thank you.